Welcome back to another excited video of template tutorials, and in this tutorial I'm going to teach you how to create a beautiful certificate like this. So without wasting much of your time, let's dive into it. Alright, so first of all you have to change the layout. So I'm choosing the blank there. So I'll go to the design tab. So from there we are choosing the slide size. So we'll choose this one and choose the A4. Leave it the landscape because we want a certificate, and click on OK. And next we'll click on maximize. Alright, so the first thing I would like us to do is to go to the insert tab. We are going to insert a rounded rectangle. So from the shapes there, I have my rounded rectangle here. So I'll just click on it this way. So when I click on it and click on the screen, it will be due on it. Okay, so I'll just resize it this way. So right click on it and go to format shape. Alright, so from here I don't want her to have any color of it, so I'll just choose no fill. I don't want any color there. So the line there, that was the outline. I would like us to increase the size of the outline to 80. So just type 80. Alright, so the color of it, I'll choose this red here. Alright, so I can resize it this way. So let me gently rotate it this way. Alright, so I can gently place it somewhere around here. So I can close this one in. I think this way is not bad. So the other side also, let me increase the length. So I think this one will go like this. Alright, so again, let's go back to the insert tab. We are again going to insert another rounded rectangle. But this time around we want the color there, but the color there I want to choose is not red, it's just going to be black here. Okay, let me increase it a little. Alright, so with this I can gently place it here, rotate that one. Alright, so I can increase the size, increase here also. Alright, so let me close here in a little. And push this once more. Alright, so I think that place is not bad for us. So again, let's make a duplication of this one by pressing and holding the control key and drag to duplicate. So I would like us to send this one here. Just gently bring it here. I think here is not bad. Alright, so again this one also make a duplication of it and bring it here. So I think this also is not bad for us. Alright, so we are not done there again, so we just simply have to go back to the insert tab. I want us to draw another shape. So click on this one. So this is the shape that I want us to draw. That's a half frame. Alright, so let me just kind of drag this way to draw. Alright, so let me increase the size. So we can close this one in. First of all, let's move the outline. So close this one in. Close this one in also. Alright, but there's one thing I would like us to observe. It's like this one is too close to us. So I would gently like us to send this one off a little. So push this one also to the top a little. Alright, so we can bring the height of this one here. Okay, so with this one, the color of it also, let's choose the red. So again, let's make a copy of it. That's the duplication. So press and hold the control key to drag to duplicate. So I will close this one in, and with this one I will rather increase the size. Okay, so this one also, let's duplicate it to the top there. We are going to do the same thing to the top right corner. So I'll bring it here, rotate it. Alright, so I'll gently place it here. So let's increase the height of this one. So make a duplication of it. So with this one, we are going to reduce the height. Alright, so I'm using my arrow keys to push it, so you can also use the arrow keys to position it well. Alright, so I think this way is not bad. So just click on the middle so that the points will vanish. Alright, so let's go back to the insert tab. So we are going to insert another shape. So the shape that I would like us to insert is this one. So click on it and come and drag it this way. Alright, so let's move the outline. And the color of it, let's choose the color red. So inside of this one, the text that I want us to insert in there will be the company name. So select it this way. Go to the insert tab. So the font of it will be the semi-bold. Alright, so let me gently align it to the center here. Alright, so with that here, I'm also going back to the insert tab. I want us to insert a text box there. So just click on the text box, click here, it will be inserted. So the text that I want us to place in here will be certificate. Alright, so select it this way, align it to the center. So the font of it also will be semi-bold, but the size, rather, I'll go with 40. Alright, so let me gently align that one also to the center here. So let's make a copy of this one here. So this one we are going with of appreciation. So select that one here. So the font of it will be area rounded and the size will be 20. Alright, so let me reduce the size a little to 18. Okay, so with this one here, I would like us to go back to the insert tab. So you are going to insert a small line here. So let me zoom it in so we can have a clear view of it. I want us to draw a small straight line here. Alright, so the size of it, I'll choose 3. And the color of it, I'll choose black. So let me gently place it here. So make a copy of this one to this side also. Okay, so like we can zoom it in, you can zoom it out. So moving on next, we will have to make a copy of this one also here. I'm saying we should make a copy because, you know, going back to the insert tab to insert is a whole long procedure. That's why I usually use the copy scenario to just move on faster. You can use Ctrl C to copy and Ctrl V to paste, but I am using the easiest one, that's to press and hold the Ctrl key and use the mouse to drag to duplicate. Alright, so this one, let me select it. So we are going to type in a text like this of this certificate. Is proudly presented 2. So select it this way. The font of it will be semi-bold. Alright, so I'll align it here. So make a copy of this one here. So select the whole of this one. So type name, and we also have surname. So let's select this one and change the font of it. So I go with Edwardian script, and the size I'll choose 60 or 66. Make it bold, and the color also I'll choose the red we've been using. Okay, so I'm not stopping there again. I'm making a copy of this one also here. So with this one, it will be a description of what the certificate is all about. But for the sake of this video, I'm just going to randomly generate a text here. So I want one line consisting of at least 3, one paragraph with 3 lines. Okay, so let me open it up. Okay, so let me go to the insert tab. I'm just going to insert a straight line. So in between the name and the paragraph there. Alright, so with this straight line, the size of it, I'll go with 2, and the color will be red. Okay, so let me clear some of this text. Alright, so I'm just positioning it to also our design will look good. Alright, so let me take this one also and make a duplication here. So this one is going to be date. So I will select it this way, and the size I will change it to 16, and the font of it I'll use a semi-bold. So let me align it here. So let's make a copy here, and this one will be signature. Alright, so let me break this one, duplicate it here. Alright, so you can use the arrow keys to move it around if you are finding it difficult to use a mouse. So let me make a duplication here also. Alright, so I think positioning this one here is okay. So I'll bring this one also down a little. So this one also here is okay. Alright, so the next thing again I would like us to do is to insert a medal, some 2 medals there. So go to the insert tab. I have it in my device. So I'll go with this device. So I'll click on this one first today. So this one I will gently place it at the top right corner. Alright, so I'll gently place this one here. So I'm going back to the insert tab again to insert another one. So which is this one. So I'll gently place that one in between the date and the signature. Alright, Alright, so as you can see, everything is well fit, nice and done. So thank you so much for watching. I'll see you later in my next video.